Hello, guys. Welcome to another live New York session. It is Wednesday, November the 20th. So before we get started, let's go ahead and check the news. So no major news today. We have some major news tomorrow, starting tomorrow. But pretty much all this week we've had normal price movement. So let's go ahead and get going. So we're going to implement the G.S.A strategy. We're going to be trading NAS100. So the very first thing we're going to do is figure out what is the overall trend in the market. And when we really look here, pretty much from this swing low to this swing high, price has been trending up, breaking previous structure. Well, I'm sorry. From here all the way down to here, price has been overall bearish. Previous lows have been broken, at least to this point. So let me go ahead and take a trend line and draw a trend line here. But now, when we put on the CC trend indicator, and both of our indicators are pointing down on the CC trend. So that lets us know that we are in compliance with the overall market. So then when we turn on the cheap code indicator, we can see that we currently don't have a cheap code buy or sell at current price, and it's not sticking out on any Bollinger Band. So that's fine. But now what we're going to do is we're going to move over to our smaller time frame, which is the 15-minute. So now, when we look at current price, we're going to look at the current trend. So really, when we even look at from this swing high to the end of this swing low, price has been trending down, breaking previous structure, and then coming back up. Actually, this previous structure has really been broken, the price came back up and tested it. So it looks like that price is currently bearish as well. So then, we put on the CC trend. Looks like it's leveled out because it's been consolidating back and forth, which is fine. And actually, I might actually change my mind. I'm actually looking at the most recent low, and then I see price kind of broke some structure here, broke its previous high and went up. So kind of actually changing my bias and saying that maybe price is currently bullish at this point. But that's what I'm probably going to stick with that for now. But now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, we're going to draw trading ranges and our liquidities, our liquidity levels. So let's see the sell side liquidity here, and then buy side liquidity up here. And let's mark these up. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and mark up our trading ranges and then mark up our key ratio levels. So we see most recent swing low. I'm probably going to still say that price is going to be out there. So let me just skip it back. Most recent swing low. See the breaker structure all around this area. Then we got our swing high. So I would say they're in the bearish trading level. But really, when I look at this structure here, yeah. So now we're going to take our Fibonacci, tune it to the most recent high, all the way down to the most recent low here. And that kind of makes sense with that price rejected at 78.60 with the deep pullback and pushed all the way down, so it might pull back up to here. So let's go ahead and mark that our areas, key areas. There we go. Got it here from the most recent high here to the most recent low. So now we're going to put 73.60 here. Right there. Now we're going to label these areas. There we go. So now we're going to take this zone and we're going to stretch it from 100% all the way to 320. And then erase the fib. Here. Yes. There we go. And now we see levels of where price has rejected. Now I did this huge move. They're probably going to have to pull back to a certain point, maybe back up to this 50%, and maybe do a deep pullback to really get most of this area and then come back down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pause this recording and wait for the 9:15 candle to close. Then we're going to discuss how we're going to actually trade this. So we have about 6 minutes for that. So I will be right back. All right, so we have a little bit over 10 minutes before the 9:15 candle closes. I want to see if the next candle closes above and test this area, because then we might be looking at the pullback. But if price pushes down to this area, then it might be a sign that price is really going bearish, or coming bearish. I think price is actually going to bullish, so I kind of change my bias. But let me turn on an indicator here. The price could be a deep pullback, pushing out of this area here. Now, since it looks like we're in an overall bullish motion because we have price breaking structure, It might be going to be pulled back here, some kind of back that. So I may be looking for a buy position right around here. Just stop loss up to here. May look to get all this liquidity up to here. Now, if price rejects one of these levels and push past this 100%, then I'm going to actually redraw the bid. We're going to be looking for sells instead of buys. So this is a loose. So the alert is set. Oops. I think I put a wrong need to get it part here. My bad. So what we're going to do now is wait for the 929 to hit, and then we'll resume this recording. So we have about 10 minutes, maybe 9. So I'll be right back. All right, so 829 has closed. I'm thinking price is really rejecting the 50% here. Yeah, rejected between 70% and 50%. Price is still below the 8 in there. You never know, price might be looking to sell, but it's really rejecting this area. And it's out from the bubbles again. So we'll see if we get a 2 code buy or confirmation set. We might be able to buy it up some. It's all the way at the bottom here. But we'll see. If price continues to drip down, then I might go back to our original giant. So at 9:30, the 9:30 candle is closed. That was dripping down. I'll go ahead and just take the sell since it went down. probably really some another level, probably with a steady. Push the trigger a little too quickly here. Yeah, push the trigger a little too quickly, I think. That price is different. That price is really different now. Just later. That's what it brings. Very high. Uh, when it's more than $40. Uh, at least 40. All right, just made about $40 for pricing every drip. We made about $41.96. But the good thing is that we at least we were risking $44. We made 40, which is still a little bit under our reward, but it's close enough. So let me go ahead and document my results, and then I'll share them with you. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So my computer shut down on me. So long story short, price ended up selling. And so I'm going to share the results with you, but what I'm going to do is redraw the Fibonacci so you can actually see what price, what level price rejected before it took a drop. So I'm going to draw the Fibonacci from this high over down to this low. And it looks like we did get a confirmation sell up here. The price was below the H and A, but that let us know why price is going to sell over down to this liquidity down here. So when you look at the Fibonacci, price just instantly drops, and I might actually take it up to this high. So price actually came back a little bit above the 3680. Let me see if I can actually draw this way. This high to this low. Okay. So price did a very huge pullback. This is probably more accurate. Price did a very huge pullback to the 78.60 here. And from there, it just dropped. You got the sell side liquidity. Let's start this low, this low. So that's probably what happened. And sometimes price does a deep pullback. We get all kinds of energy to basically recover price and then go all the way down to here. So we ended up making $49.96. So to wrap this up, I'm going to share my phone screen here so you guys can see my profits. So, inside the trade locker app, and there's the live account. We made $41.96. So we're $5 back in the game. So we actually set our risk management to about 0.96, and then our reward at about 1.50 a mil. So we made some money in this market, guys. So we did good today. So we'll pick it back up tomorrow, and I'll see you guys. You guys take care.